I have this little bicycle engine kit here. 4-stroke. It turns the wheel, so it's easy to install. I'm going to show you how to install it. Use a 5/8 socket and remove this nut and the nut on the other side of the rear wheel. Then you're going to come over to this bracket on the engine and unscrew these nuts. Then you're going to bring the engine over to the bicycle and put it on the frame. These bars line up with the bolts on the wheel. Pick which hole you need. Do the other side. Reinstall the nut on this side. And get the nut on this side to go on. Snug up both of the nuts. Next I have to install this bracket that goes around the seat. After you tighten up these two bolts here, this bike's a little goofy, so it's going to be hard to get the third bolt in there, so I'm not going to use it on this bike. I might end up moving it to another bike because it's not fitting too well on this bike. Then you're going to take the throttle cable and kill switch and run it up to the handlebar. Remove the existing handlebar. The tire needs to work.